Are you the best chair slipcovers? You've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of the top 5 best chair slipcovers on the market, based on factors like quality, durability, and price. Whether you're looking for a slipcover for a dining chair, an office chair, or a recliner, we've got you covered. Let's get started. List number: stretch chair slipcovers for decorative seat protector. The slipcovers are made of 85% polyester, with a small checks jacquard pattern, and almost 20% thicker than any other chair covers. Stretch chair covers for dining room, equipped with an elastic band, easy to fit and anti-slip, water repellent, wrinkle resistance, and reusable. Dining room chair covers feel smooth and durable. Make your room more tidy and beautiful. Dining chair covers protect your dining chairs from stains or dirt. Our dining chair slipcovers are a quick and budget-friendly way to prep for formal dinners, family parties, or even a change of season. Made from our toughest fabric, these chair slipcovers are designed to last. They're made from a tough polyester material with elastic on the bottom to keep them in place without shifting or moving. The strapless design won't bunch up behind you while you sit, and they fit practically any chair style or shape. List number: spandex folding chair slipcovers protector for wedding. Babinest universal chair covers fitted most of folding chairs without armrest in standard size. Babinest is the perfect slipcover for chairs with armrests. Babinest universal chair covers fitted most of folding chairs without armrest in standard size. Our spandex chair slipcover protects your chair from stains, dirt, and pet damages. Perfect for homes with kids, dogs, and cats. The stretch chair cover is designed with an elastic band inside, which can be easily fixed on the seat. Babinest universal chair covers fitted most of folding chairs without armrest in standard size. You can turn your old chair into a brand new chair and save money by extending the service life of the chair. This high-quality stretchable fabric will create an inviting ambiance for your guests. Chair width 11.8 to 19.7 inches and chair height 27.6 30.7 inches. Kindly measure before ordering. If you require any other size, please contact us for help. List number: Lick and Stretch Wingback Side Chair Slipcover. Lick and Stretch Wingback Side Chair Slipcover is universal slipcovers with various patterns give your chair a new look. This cover material can be used for hotel, wedding banquet, birthday party, Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner, and family dining room decoration, etc. It fits for most accent chairs and side chairs. The elastic hem keeps the fabric in place without any trouble. In addition, it is skin-friendly because it does not have any chemical odor that may cause allergies or stains on your favorite furniture. With over 10 colors available, you will find the perfect match for any decor. The elastic hem secures the fit of the cover with its fabric that stretches. It's soft material and comfortable. The breathable fabric allows airflow between the chair and liner, keeping your furniture cleaner for longer. The elastic hem allows this slipcover to be a snug fit, giving you the assurance that it won't slip off easily. This is a universal fit for almost every chair in our store, as well as most other popular brands. List number: club chair slipcover. Our club chair slipcover will transform your club chairs into beautiful new furniture. Slipcovers keep chairs damage-free and make them easier to care for, which saves you time and money in the long run. This club chair slipcover, brand new your old, damaged, or ugly club chair, match your dining room or kitchen theme, and protects your sofa from scratches, spills, and accidents. Made from durable stretch cloth material that is lightweight but very strong, with a zipper closure and elastic band around the leg openings for an extra level of security. This new design is ideal for protecting your furnishings from minor scratches and spills, and makes any space look contemporary and ready for fun. Seat depth 55 to 78 centimeters. Seat width 40 to 55 centimeters. Chair height 70 to 90 centimeters. Room size 45 inches times 17 inches times 32 inches. Made of soft and comfortable microfiber fabric. List number: Soft, stretched dining chair slipcovers. The Smyry Stretch Dining Chair Slipcover is a perfect way to easily customize your existing dining set or add new life to your favorite chairs. The universal design fits most chairs and provides the ability to be used with high or low back chairs. This slipcover is made with a waterproof TPU membrane backing, while features on the bottom edge provide traction in case of spills. Smyry Dining Chair Slipcover is made up of a strong and soft material designed to protect your favorite furniture from spills and other damages. Its design allows it to be totally protected from spills from any direction, whether you are bending over to pull out a chair or just turning around in the room. Smyry's waterproof fabric is so durable that it can withstand more than 50 washes, drops, and rips without losing its shape or integrity.